But as you excel in everything, in faith, in speech, in knowledge, in all earnestness, and in our love for you, see that you excel in this act of grace also. I say this not as a command, but to prove by the earnestness of others that your love also is genuine. Paul, speaking to the Corinthians here in 2 Corinthians chapter 8, verses 7 and 8, is talking about their former promise to supply for the needs of the saints in Jerusalem, because they had surplus there in Corinth and in Macedonia. And they had promised the year before that they would give. Now, Paul is asking them to stand up to what they had pledged. Many churches survive on the pledges of their congregation members. And it's always a struggle, because money is a root of all kinds of evil. It's always a struggle against our sinful flesh when it comes to money, because our old Adam wants to be lazy. He wants to be pampered and cushioned. But we must discipline ourselves and keep ourselves in restraint so that we might fulfill our promises to others as well as to God. You're listening to Oratio, part of your morning drive for the soul, here on Worldwide KFUO. Christ for you, anytime, anywhere.